If you've ever dreamed of building a unique and beautiful small home, simplifying your life, getting off the grid and escaping the rat race, then this is your channel.
What do I really want to live in? What's my perfect home? This is my ideal home.
My name is Bryce, and I'm on a journey to discover the very best of small space design. Join me as we travel the world to meet people who live in incredible small homes of all different kinds. Together, we get to know their stories and insights into downsized living.
So sometimes we'll just be sitting down having dinner and one of us will just be like, oh, we built this, and the other one will be like, I know!
For me, I was the hardest person to convince for this, and I love it.
Waking up in the tiny house now actually is freedom.
I didn't know if I could do it. I didn't know how to do it. And proving to myself that I could is an affirmation for me that what you set your mind to, more likely or not, you can do it.
Yeah, a lot of people ask us, are you over the tiny house yet? And
I think we fall more in love with the design every day.
Yeah, it's given me this freedom and independence, and I own my own home at 25, which is crazy.
Just a time in my life, I just really wanted to lighten up, and I didn't want to be tied down to one location.
We're not just watching from the sidelines though. We get stuck in with our very own small space design projects and share our experiences of living in an off-the-grid tiny house on wheels. When you're ready to start your own tiny adventure, our videos are packed with useful information to help you design and build your own tiny home.
It's really little, but it's a really huge space of creativity.
It evolved based on what is me.
So, come along for the ride, and together, let's discover what it means to be living big in a tiny house.